Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nagabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Ka kabukser ka baap ki kena school but ki samla puli lada pikwa bal shoot Pynnep ya laga jong ka Jabieng pila badi shimbenta ha Quizidiofyia ka balong karanstan ka playlat ba Phin ba Pynnep sho shapang ki sanjing tip ha ki subject pair uba bat scam karsentiu ha ki jing kram ki lat pathai ko bor le tho biya kari karanstan shoot Jabieng la penlong tanglai sin chitayo ha bro ko kari India kata tanga kala asli ublay kasngi balang par kasngi thodieng ha ka po prashiteng minmiet kinang shimbenta ki job ya ga jiyo ko kinyo ru ya ga Khusnam ra ka song Pisa ha ka bagirang shimbenta kimde benduna ya ga chispa ngot.
Introduction to online games in India at Quizidiofyia.com. Online games in India at a glance. 2023, India became the world's largest gaming market with 568 million gamers and 9.5 billion app downloads. The market, valued at $2.2 billion in 2023, is projected to reach $8.6 billion by 2028. Key drivers of growth: young demographic. Nearly half India's population is under 25 years old, creating a massive gaming audience. Smartphone penetration. Number of smartphone users is expected to grow from 468 million in 2017 to 1.2 billion by 2025. Internet massiveness. India has the second largest internet user base after China, with users projected to reach 900 million by 2025. Localized content. Games are being adapted to Indian preferences, including regional language options. Gujarati, Bangla, Marathi, Telugu, etc. Festival theme events. Booming IT sector. India had 275 online game development companies in 2019, up from just 25 in 2010, contributing to global game development. Digital payments adoption. Users of digital payment systems increased from 10 crores in 2019 to 46.52 crores in 2025, facilitating online transactions. Classification of online games in India. In India, online games are broadly classified as either games of skill or games of chance. Games of skill. These games rely on mental skills, strategy, and decision-making, rather than pure chance. Examples include poker, rummy, and fantasy sports, and knowledge-based games or knowledge-gaining games. Games of chance. These games are primarily based on luck, with the outcome determined by random events like dice rolls or card draws. Examples include lotteries and some types of casino games. Knowledge-gaining games, also known as educational games, are designed to make learning enjoyable and engaging. They can cover a wide range of subjects, from maths and science to history and language, and are used to enhance skills like memory, problem solving, and critical thinking. Examples of knowledge-gaining games. Maths games. Maths games like Prodigy Maths and Rust Maths can make learning maths concepts more fun and engaging. Quiz games. Trivia, 360, and GK quiz can test and expand general knowledge in various categories. Language learning games offers a unified approach to learning languages. Puzzle games. Sudoku and Wonderful can improve logic and problem-solving skills. Strategy games. Games like chess and Scrabble can enhance strategic thinking and planning. Brain training games. Games like Elevate and Brain Test 2 can improve memory, attention, and cognitive function.
When we first want to find out the name, okay, we thought of giving like Quiz Genius or something like that, but they already taken. And it's some very, what to say. So we came up with the name Quizidiofyia. Quizidiofyia is a Greek word. It's a Greek word that means genius. So Quizidiofyia it means genius itself. Literally, it means genius. So the idea of Quizidiofyia Actually, we are not. This quiz contest was not. It's not in the beginning. In the beginning, we are planning to give this free tutorial to the students. Free tutorial to the students from class 4 up to class 12. But after calculating everything, we understand that it's very tough. We have to spend on website maintenance, server, hosting, and everything. So we thought that why not make all the audience, everyone involved. So as we have seen it before, that we have 4 kinds of audience: school student, quiz enthusiasts, and then parents of students. So we involve all those audience so that we can support this. That's why the idea of Quizidiofyia came up. We make that this contest will support the tutorial of the student. So we need some events that will support. So that additional features will be happening by next 6 months alone. We are giving free tutorial to the student. They can access anywhere. So for that reason, we have this quiz contest. See, that is the thing. We have 3 layers of tutorial. Okay, one is self-tutorial, where the student can practice themselves. And the second thing is self-tutorial. In the self-tutorial, they will know their own capacity. Every day, if they practice alone, the scoreboard will be there. Today I got this much mark, tomorrow I got this much mark, like that. They will understand whether they have been improved or not improved. Then the next is the group tutorial. In the group tutorial, you will compete with other students. Okay, it could be from different school, different colleges, different school. One may be from St. Louis, one may be from Somerset, and that is called engagement with other students from other school. For this school tutorial will be free. Okay, we are expecting to give them free. Okay, for that reason, that's why I came back to what I said earlier. For that reason, we have this quiz contest, so that it will support the school platform. Because when we have to establish anything, we need fund. Okay, we need so many expenses. So for that reason, we have this Quizidiofyia contest. This is like an online library. The student has to go, as well coaching and all, they have to go. But here they access the question. All the questions by which they have been asked for, all those questions, last year question, 10 years question, they access that. And we give them also explanation. And moreover, also we already have talked with some publishing houses that will be using their materials and all.
The website is primarily available on mobile web. Okay. We are currently not developing it for app-based. That means it's not available on Android or iOS platforms. That doesn't mean that it's not available. It can be made available. It can be migrated. It can be transported. Alright. As of now, this is available in something called WebView. So your mobile computer can actually access it, and it looks like an app actually. It's very easy. It's very fast. It's, as far as our testing is concerned, it's reliable also. So that is the current situation. Maybe in future, as more and more sponsorship comes up, we can definitely upgrade to iOS or Android platforms. No, presently we have not migrated to that.
Yeah, one of a kind. So we have done extensive research, isn't it?
See, the thing is, Quizidiofyia is a knowledge-based gaming. We've seen games where people are racing against each other, fighting against each other, right? But Quizidiofyia is the first type of gaming whereby it actually increases the knowledge of the person. Not only that, but it also pays the person who's actually better at it. Like I have played Free Fire, and in the olden days I've played PUBG also. As a technical person, I've played on that. We never want anything except chicken dinner. In PUBG and in Free Fire, there's only chicken dinner. That's it, no? But this time, Quizidiofyia, I cannot play because you're personally involved, technically involved with it. But if I was any layman and not directly involved with this project, I would actually be competing more because if I win, I'm going to get money. I'm going to get cash prize. It's as simple as that. I'm learning because the tutorial is free. I'm learning, and at the same time, if I'm confident enough, like Khusnam has said, if I'm confident enough, I may win also. And since the money, the cash prize is like you're playing housing, it's like you're playing tambola. The more the participants, the more the cash prize. It's as simple as that.
We want to make it very interesting. Okay, for the contest, anyone can participate from 18 years old above up to 55 years old. So we have made the course before the contest. Also, we have made tutorials. There are 3 types of tutorials: self-tutorial, self-trial, group trial. And if you feel confident, enough that you can go for the contest, then you can participate in the contest, and you will give cash prize. There, if you go in the website, there is a cash prize structure is there. That will depend on the number of participants. The more the participants, the more the cash prize.
So all the participants, they have to pay certain amount.
Yeah, they have to pay the entry fees.
How much is the entry fees?
We have taken it at 500, including 28% GST. For the online game contest, the government is charging 28% GST, so we have included within that one 500.
And what is the cash price?
The cash price will depend. It depends on the
It depends upon the participants.
number of participants. The more the participants, the more the cash prize. In India also it is first with kinds because this is a regular quiz contest. Okay, tri-weekly, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. In the others platform, they not regularly. Sometimes they make quiz like suppose environment day, they make quiz about environment, wildlife, they make quiz about wildlife and all. Just stop there. But our platform means regularly we give contest. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, regularly we give contest. We want it to be a continuous process.
So this online gaming already has been launched?
First launch. Yeah, officially we are launching today. Yeah. Actually we have gone live. We have gone live since 17th of Feb. But we have to fix the box. We have to make it very stable and all. So we keep on fixing the box. We upgrade our server from this server to this server. We are testing everything now. It is stable and anyone can access it.